Joseph Capurso, now he's a currency strategist at Commonwealth Bank of Australia, and he joins us this morning from our Sydney bureau. Joseph, good Monday morning to you. What do you think? Is the Australian dollar overvalued in your view?
No, I think it's roughly right. Purchasing power parity models don't have such a great track record, particularly in the short term. When I'm thinking about the Aussie dollar, I like to look at short-term interest rate differentials and commodity prices, and on that basis, Aussie around the mid-90 US cents is about right.
Okay, mid-90s U.S. cents. Joseph, what about the Gillard and this expected mining tax? And some say it's pretty much been, I guess, over-profiled, it's overexposed. It's not going to have that much of an impact on the economy. Your thoughts?
Yeah, no, I agree. I don't think it's going to have too much of an impact on the Aussie. I don't think it really impacted the Aussie that much a few months ago when it was first raised. I think just the usual drivers of commodity prices are really the major influence of Aussie and interest rate differentials, rather than whether some tax may or may not come in.
Okay, so interestingly enough, you said in the short run, the Aussie dollar will actually press higher from here. What kind of levels are we looking at, and when?
Yeah, look, I think the Australian interest rate market is not pricing in the risk of a near-term rate rise by the Reserve Bank of Australia. They've only got about a 20% chance for next month. I think it should be closer to 50%. And look, I think there's a very good chance if they don't go in October, they'll go in November, and that's still not priced in. I think over the next 3 or 4 months, Aussie can track probably closer to about 96, 97 US cents. Which is still shy of its all-time record it reached in the middle of 2008.
Okay, so that's interesting. That's a very bullish call from you, Joseph, expecting another interest rate increase from the RBA before this year is out, because not many people are pricing that in. But, Joseph, what do you think about some of these currency strategists saying that the Aussie dollar will hit 80 cents by year's end? Is that too bearish in your view? And what sort of factors will we have to see happen before we see the AUD hitting 80?
I think for Aussie to hit 80 before the end of the year, which is only 3 or so months away, you need a pretty dramatic downgrade of both the US economy, the Chinese economy, and also the implications for the Aussie economy. I don't think that's going to be happening in the near term. China's showing a huge amount of resilience to the very weak global demand story. That's keeping commodity prices high, which of course is giving a very good support to the Aussie dollar.
Okay, Joseph, nice talking to you today. Thank you for that. Joseph Capurso of the Commonwealth Bank of Australia.